Okay, review tayo for our coming civil service exam. And math problems tayo dahil marami pong ganitong lumalabas. 36 is 47 of what number? Okay, so pag may nakita kayo kung ganitong problem or kalintulad, ang technique po dito ay lagay po ninyo into equation at be familiarized sa mga word na ginamit. Okay, so dito 36, lagay lang po natin yan. 36 is, yung word na is, meaning yan is equal sign yan. Always remember that. 47, okay, i-rewrite lang po natin. Of, pag sinabing of, meaning multiplication yan. Okay, times what number? So ito yung hinahanap natin. Maglagay lang tayo ng variable na n. Okay, since dito mapapansin po ninyo sa equation, may fraction tayo. Ang ginagawa ko dyan para matanggal, i-multiply ko lang sa 7. Para maalis po yung 7. So multiply nyo both sides ng 7. Okay, so 7 times 36 is equal to, cancel natin yung 7, 7, 4 times n is equal to 4n. Para may 1 po itong n, kasi yan po yung hinahanap natin, i-divide lang po natin both sides ng 4. Okay, so 4. So dito, n, ayan, is equal to, pwede po natin yan i-cancel. So 36, cancel natin yan, magiging 9 dito. Okay, so 7 times 9 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 7 times 10 is equal to 63. And the answer is letter D. Okay, pag may nakita kayong kalintulad ng problem ito, ganun po yung gawin po ninyo. I hope you got this one, and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!